Hello again, this is Margot Tripsa. This is tutorial number 2 of the orientation module. In this tutorial, I will go over some math tools and other special tools available with the ActivInspire software. I will also talk about Promethean Planet. Promethean Planet is where you need to go if you want to use flip charts that have been created by other teachers. You can use them as they are, or you can make changes to them. I will demonstrate how to use the math tools with ActivInspire. First, you will have to open your ActivInspire software. First, you will have to launch the ActivInspire software, and then I like to use the dashboard to open my flip charts. Once you find the flip chart you want to use, you click on it, and then I will show you a few tools. This one is the revealer, so you can hide parts of your flip chart if you want, and this is where you find it. So you can use it on any of your slides if you want to hide something. You need to go to Tools, and then you will see, for instance, the spotlight. You can use different kinds of spotlights if you want to. So this is what a spotlight can be used for. Okay, yeah, I'll go back to Tools, and then if I don't want to use it, I just need to deactivate it. Okay, I will show you how to use some math tools. You go to Tools and then Ruler. For instance, if you need to measure something, I can manipulate the ruler. I can flip this around. I can shorten the ruler or lengthen it. The options box is in the middle. You can use different scales according to what you need. And also, this is where you need to go to close the ruler if you don't need it. Okay, so Tools, Math Tools, Ruler. Once you have the ruler on the page, you can use the highlighter, for instance, and you can draw a line. And then you can also remove the ruler. Now I will show you how to use the compass. You go to the Math Tools and find compass. You can grab the gray circle at the top to move the compass around, and to make the radius bigger or smaller, you need to use this gray section, and to draw the circle, you need to click on the tip of the pencil, and then it will draw the circle for you. If you don't need it, again, you can close it by going to the options box. To reset the page, you need to go to the spray bottle. You have a spray bottle here, and you can clear the annotations or the objects or everything that's on the page. Okay, so for instance, if I'm here and I want to clear the annotations, I choose that option. Now I will show you how to use the dice roller and the calculator. You go to Tools, Math Tools, and Dice Roller. You can choose the number of dice you want to use. You can roll them. So if you choose this option, output to flip chart, it will input the sum of the dice. So let's see what happened. Okay, I have an 8. Okay. Also, I'll go again to Tools, Math Tools, and Calculator. So you can see how you can have both here. And then maybe I want to roll the dice again. Okay, so now output to flip chart. So I have a 4 on top of 8, and then if you want your students to multiply the numbers, for instance, they can do 8 times 4 equals 32. You can use many other tools with ActivInspire. If you go to Tools, this is something worth checking out. More tools. You will find tools such as sound recorder or screen recorder if you want to do screencasting. Also on-screen keyboard or the clock. This is something that you might want to use. You can have analog clock or digital clocks. You can use the countdown or count up timers, and you can have both of them displayed if you want. So if you don't want to see the clock, you go back to Tools and you choose the option that says clock. More options, and then clock. It will disappear. And something very important, don't forget, you can use the undo and redo button. That will save you a lot of time in case you make mistakes. Next, I will talk about how to find resources that have already been created by other teachers. And to do that, if you have used ActivInspire before, maybe you know that you need to go to Promethean Planet. But Promethean Planet has recently migrated to ClassFlow, so I will show you what you need to do. You can do it in two ways. I will show you the first way to do this. If you want to save it, you can save, or if you don't want to make changes, then you just don't save it. So if you go to ActivInspire, when you first launch ActivInspire, then you will see the dashboard. If you launch ActivInspire, you will see the dashboard, and then you see Promethean Planet. You can click on Promethean Planet, and then it will take you there. And what you need to do is just log in. And actually, this is the ClassFlow website. And the second way to do this is just Google Promethean Planet or ClassFlow. If I Google Promethean Planet, you will see that it tells you that the content is now in ClassFlow. So if you go here, it will take you here, and then all you need to do is log in. I already have logged in, so I just want to show you very quickly what to do. If you want to search for the water cycle lessons, for instance, you can also filter by grade level. So I chose 3rd and 4th, and then I see that there are games available or flip chart. Now you need to look at them and see which one you like. If you like this one, for instance, what you need to do is click on the flip chart, and then you can download it. So if you want to use the flip charts you find online with your ActivInspire software, you need to first download the lesson, and then you will be able to use it. So if you download, it will show up in your ActivInspire software. So then you can use it. Okay, so it's here for you to use as is, or you can change it. So a couple more things I want to point out. If you use this for the first time, you go to their website, which is actually the ClassFlow website. You need to have ActivInspire downloaded. If you don't have ActivInspire, this is where you need to go to download it. And if you have ActivInspire, you just search for the flip charts you want to use, and you need to log in first or create a free account in order to be able to use the resources found online. So again, you can filter using the filters on the left. If you go to the bottom, you can also see the type of lessons that you can find. And if you just want to find, for instance, PowerPoint lessons, you check this box. Or if you just want to use flip charts, then that's what you need to check. And if you like it, like I said, you click on the flip chart, see if you like it, and then to find it after you download it, you go either to My Resources, or you just click on the tab that says it has been added to your resources. So add to My Resources, wait for a couple seconds, and then it will be ready for you. So either click here, or you go to your resources and you can find it there. And then you need to download it if you want to use it with ActivInspire. Thank you. So this was it. The next tutorial of the orientation module will be about using Google Apps for Education or G Suite with your Promethean board or Sony projector. Thank you.